We're going to do question number 1. Here we go.
I am replacing a creek bank that is overgrown with invasive species in Atlanta. The area is almost fully shaded and drains well. What should I use for erosion control that will spread rapidly and is native to the area?
For your creek bank project in Atlanta, I would recommend the following native plants that are known for their rapid growth and ability to control erosion in shaded well-drained areas. Number 1, Carex amphibula. Creek sedge. This is a compact clumping semi-evergreen native to the eastern coast. Its shiny upright grass-like foliage is a soft green, and in late spring it produces green scaly flower spikes above the foliage. It thrives in rich moist well-drained soils, and is drought-tolerant once established. It can be planted in near full sun if the soil is consistently moist but will have less color. You can cut the foliage to the ground, and remove it in late winter. It's a low-maintenance plant that can be used for accents or group plantings, borders woodland gardens, wildlife gardens, and naturalized areas. Number 2, Spartina alternivora. Smooth cordgrass saltmarsh cordgrass. This is a low-maintenance plant native to North and South Americas. It's a full sun plant that can be cut to the ground late winter. Although it prefers full sun, it can tolerate some shade.
And so there's 2 suggestions. What do y'all think? Can we beat it
I
up?
love it. I would have literally, if you asked me, I would have told you exactly this Carex.
Yeah, the Carex is what I was thinking.
But like Amphibola, it's really hard to pronounce. Amphibola is literally my top favorite Carex when it comes to like creek sites. I've done a huge project in one of my jobs at Hoffman Nursery, and every time I go back there, I'm just so amazed on how beautiful this one looks. It's really ornamental. Like so many Carex can look a little bit weedy, but this one is fantastic. And then in my opinion, if I can keep talking for a second, because, but like if you blend all of that, I think then you can like put maybe some other ornamental stuff in it. Like, for example, like podophyllums. And like mayapple, you see them always, if you go to nature, like you will see them, and you could just like plant a few in there, and then you look like it looks really awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. And I think there's a lot of like ferns that you could dabble in,
My
That's what I was going to say was ferns. That would be the only, that was good.
One other grass I don't think it mentions that I like to use in sort of a shaded sort of wetland, inland CO, Chasmanthum latifolium. I like it because of its aggressive nature for these types of projects, where it'll really self-sow and get real aggressive. And if you got a lot here in the South, we got privet. I mean, it doesn't stand up to privet, but it will grow around it. And because those privets are going to come back, it's still going to be these projects. I work with a lot of clients who have these types of situations, and it's just going out there and pulling that privet. I mean, the Achilles heel to privet is that its root systems are so weak. So if you can get them young, you can rip them out, and then that whatever grass, the Carex or the Chasmanthum, is going to kind of take over and kind of shade out some of those young baby plants. So, so anybody else? Any other grass for this one?
Not that I can think of. I mean, those are the best. I mean,
yeah.
Okay, so Plant Nerd AI, you can chalk up a win for that one.